I never knew I'd be one of them niggas that be like not getting pussy and shit. Making that decision and shit. Like, I dead ass want a wife. I dead ass want a wife, bro. It's crazy. Y'all little niggas gonna get like this. It's crazy. Cause I never knew and shit. Like, you be seeing these niggas like, you be like, damn OG, this was you when you was younger? OG, when you get like this? You over here in church now, like, you got one woman. Yeah, man. Some niggas never change though. Oh yeah, I'm like, damn, what the fuck? Oh yeah, nigga. Oh, let me tell you what I'm doing. All right, so I'm using the blacks to help me not smoke, because the blacks get like a little easiness and I sleep a little better. Copyright issue found. It's always some copyright. Subscribe to my YouTube. I'm trying to get that shit right. So I'm about to put y'all niggas on this shit. This broke ass shit, man. Fucking tripod. Bay did not send $600 for the new tripod, as you can see. I gotta go get me a tripod now. I swear nobody loves me. I put videos out there. I know there's a bitch watching like, I'd marry him. Well, bitch, where's my $600? Anyway, we about to go on the blizzard. We about to go into blizzard for a black. Fuck it. My mama, I know she disappointed. But fuck it. Hard work must get done. All right. And we walking in that hole too. We walking, nigga. Cause the gas station close by. Should I get some gloves? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Which one of y'all reminded me to get the gloves? I fuck with y'all niggas. I'm talking like I'm on live. I'm talking like I'm on. Oh, a beanie. I forgot I can wear a beanie. Oh shit, let me put this shit down real quick. God damn. Shit. Alright, y'all right there. Y'all can see. Alright. Alright, nigga. Let me glove up and shit. I think the gas station I'm finna go to first, it might be closed. Damn, where the gloves at, man? I always... Hell nah, I ain't doing this shit without no motherfucking gloves, nigga. Oh, that's what my polo shirt was? Oh, shit. What the fuck else is up here, nigga? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, we got the Wingstop manager clothes. Okay. All right. Oh, shit. Where the fuck is the gloves at, man? Oh, shit. Okay, boom. We got some mittens right here. We got some mittens. We gonna wear. I got some other ones that I really was looking for, the black ones, but I forgot about these mittens. Okay, y'all ready? We soldiers, nigga. Fuck it. Sometimes we gotta go in the blizzard for a black and mild. Sometimes. Shit, man, this motherfucking tripod and shit, man. Stay your bitch ass right there. Put these gloves on, man. All right. All right, y'all. Oh, yeah, let me put the Timbs on. Nah. Actually, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Put the Timbs on for this, nigga. Nigga, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Should I carry Blick? Nah. Let's get it. It's just. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. We doing the thing, man. Okay. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Okay. It's nice and warm in this house. I kind of look good as fuck. I look good. think it's a tripod. I don't know. Is it a tripod? Is it the tripod? Alright. It ain't nothing really. It's like ain't no motherfucking like snow or nothing. Okay. We in there, baby. Okay. It looked like that light is on. But anyway, yo, what was I saying before? God damn it. Yeah, man. Shit crazy. And you know what's funny? When I was married, right, there would be points where me and my ex-wife would do, would do like long distance, right? Before me and Shorty moved in, I was faithful. So like, I didn't even, like anytime I smash, it had to be from her. So when she finally came through, dog, I had work, right? I had work. Because me personally, I gotta bust at least 2 nuts. At least 2. So when she finally came through and I'm finally getting pussy again, dog, I had work. I used to work at Tailored Brands. Tailored Brands was the place where I would get tempted by light-skinned, no, she really looked like Lotto. She looked like, nah, he ain't like Lotto. It was like light-skinned Keisha or some shit. I don't know, but yeah, man. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's open, nigga. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, man. I fucked that bitch. I killed that bitch, killed that pussy and shit. Went to work, I had no energy. I had to go home. I said to say right now, dog. Right now, if I do like if I bust, it's gonna be fast. You know what I'm saying? What's good, boss man? Oh, this like I'm vlogging. I just need like 2 original blacks. Huh? You want me to be on the video? Yeah, man. This my guy right here, man. And this my brother right here, man. Come to the shell, dog. Huh? Oh yeah, TikTok. That's TikTok. You got something to say? Talk to the people. Spread some word to Christ, man. No? No? I put him on the spot. I just need like two original blacks. What's good? You should try it, bro. Monetize this, make some money, document it. You're not gonna try. You're not gonna try. Oh, just 2 original blacks. Yeah.
So when you do black on the TikTok, they pay you some money?
Nah, you gotta sign up and actually build a following, and then you get paid. Right now, I'm just trying some.
A little bit.
Yeah, I'm taking it a day at a time, brother. I work too hard, man. All right, y'all. I'll be safe. Be safe. Yeah, man. Those some good niggas right there, man. I talked to him about God and shit like that. Those my guy. The other one, I don't know. He be moving like, I don't know. It be a bald one. The bald one, he iffy. Like, that nigga be moving like a bad bitch. Like what the fuck wrong with you, nigga? Anyway, though, I feel nice and warm, though. But, yeah, man, we good, man. Yeah, man. What was I saying? Yeah, man, I busted all over the bitch, right? And then after that, I got motherfucking, ooh, I should buy a lighter and just smoke out. Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Nah, fuck it. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'll chop it up with y'all bitch ass niggas outside right here. Change the background for y'all niggas, man. Anyway, man, fuck that bitch at the end of the day. But my point is, there's a reason why I'm saying that. I say all that to say this. Whoever gets this dick, when my wife finds me and she blesses me with that punani, baby, work with me. I'm a nut hella fast. I ain't gonna lie. Like, really work with me, baby. I'm out the game right now. I'm out the game. Please take care of me. Like, don't go too crazy on me. I might die. If that pussy too good, if the head too good, you gonna kill me, maybe. Baby, don't kill me, man. Like, take steps. Take steps. Work with me. Like, first nut, you know. Anyway, yeah, we made it back, y'all. Okay, we can keep going till 12 minutes. Yeah, man. I'm gonna smoke this black, and then slowly but surely, we're gonna stop smoking the blacks. I didn't get no cigarettes, because if I get cigarettes, I'm gonna have to take a month or 2 to stop smoking cigarettes. A black, I can stop smoking a black easy. But anyway, though, we back, baby. Warm, chilling, all that good stuff. You feel me? I'm gonna go this way. I don't like walking behind people. Somebody right now, I don't like walking behind people, so I'm gonna go this way and shit like that. You feel me? That type of time. What's goody? What's goody? So I'm gonna go this way. Like, what are the odds? What are the odds, niggas? Like, I don't like walking around people. I don't like walking behind people. I don't like being around kids. Like, I'm good around kids, but I don't want the parent or anything. Like, let's say something happened to the kid. They're gonna be like, who is this about the kid? Not me. Not me. And I know how I am around my kids. Like, if I'm not playing with my kids. Man. Don't be around my kid. What are you about my kid for? So I give that respect to parents. Like, get your son, get your daughter. They by themselves. Don't have your kids around people now. You understand what I'm saying? You just got your kids around. Who was that that said hi to me just a while ago? Who was that? Was that? I think that was downstairs neighbor. She watching? That was awfully nice of her. Like, we don't be speaking. What the fuck? Water just be what the fuck? Water just dripping on my ass and shit. I wonder what made her say hi. They said hi. We stopped saying hi months ago. She telling me hi and shit. That's interesting. I don't know if that was, she had on like a mask. Peace.